Tesla's all loaded up. We're about to load the Corvette up, and then we're making our way to Canada. So we'll see you there shortly. We'll see how that goes. I've never been across, like, I'm driving the Tesla, driving the Corvette to Canada, and we're gonna meet up with a bunch of people. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll make it work. We're only going for 2 days, 1 night, so it should be fine. We haven't packed pretty heavily. I did put my back seats up. Look at that. Whoa, I actually have back seats back there. Pretty much this is going to be the route. I-5, which is the main freeway up. We hit this charger. It's a V4. It's a brand new charger. It's gonna be cool to see. I've only seen, I think, 1 or 2 other ones in my life. I mean, it's not like the greatest thing in the world, but they're pretty cool. Obviously, this means that they're fast chargers, so I think I'm gonna be preconditioning the battery to get there. We can charge hopefully quickly, then make it into Canada, and oh boy, it's going to be an eventful day. This is the last charging station before Canada. We got here with 72 miles, which is 28%. Let's plug in and see how fast, yes, these V4s charge us up. So we just plugged in, it's ramping up right now. While it ramps up, let's take a look at these. So you obviously saw the screen interface. This is where it pops out. It has one of those magic docks. So that's basically like a CCS adapter for any kind of other EVs that might need it. Just sits in there. You can scan the QR code right here in the Tesla app to unlock that and plug into your car. So you can see with this charger, it basically loops around, and that means you could either charge the vehicle on this side or you could charge the vehicle on this side, which is great for other EVs that are now using these spaces because some of the charge ports are located in a little different ways. We've probably ramped charging now, so let's see what it looks like really quick. We already got to 83 miles. It's going to take us 35 minutes to get to 100%, but if we wanted to go to 80% like that, it's only going to take us 20 minutes. We're currently pulling 139 kilowatts. I did precondition to get here. We have 600 miles per hour that we're getting. Pretty much it. You're about to enter Canada. This is the border. United States right here. We're literally right underneath entering Canada. Like I said, this is legit the last charging station. It's right off the I-5, which is this part right here. And you got a Carl's Jr. over there, gas stations, truck stops here. This is probably a fine place to sleep around here if you wanted to take a nap in your car before you headed into Canada. We have 15 stalls available, 0 cars en route with 16 stalls total. That's weird. Maybe that one's done charging because I'm charging, that car's charging, and it says 15 out of 16 stalls available. Anyways, whatever. We're in Blaine, Washington on Boblet Street. 36 cents per kilowatt for Teslas. I guess it costs more because I'm pretty sure it said 47 cents, so more for non-Teslas. Let me know what you think of this charger in the comments below, and I'll see you at the border. We're in Canada! It's a Canadian Dollar Tree. I've never seen that before because I've never been to Canada before. This place is pretty big. Check out all the cakes there. I don't know how I feel about spiders crawling on my cake. This place is a world record holder. 238 flavors. They got a whole lot of flavors. They have like murals everywhere just having to do with ice cream. This place is like a legit ice cream factory, and all the different cones, I wonder if they're different flavored or they're just different colored. Whoa, look at those. Those have like sparkles on it, or sprinkles. If you ever wanted to know how much chocolates they have, the answer is yes. These are all just different chocolatey ones. The black licorice looks like sludge, and then the cherry cotton candy looks so red. Oh my gosh, you're right. Look at, there's just Oreos everywhere. These are all, everything from here to here, here to here. It is all Oreo. The white chocolate Oreo looks pretty cool. The Bailey's Oreo looks cool. You have a mint Oreo. And then the strawberry Oreo looks interesting. Coffee Oreo could be good. Mango Oreo. Green tea Oreo. I don't know about that one. I didn't know there were this many Oreos in the world. We've made it to Canada, boys! It's a stadium right here. Super tall buildings up here. Traffic in front of us over here. But I'm loving every second of it, and I hope you guys are too. They have a whole lane for just like bikes and other stuff that can't be with the cars. The room card's textured. It's pretty cool. The view is pretty worth it. Check that out, guys. Oh, look, it's a Porsche. In case you needed to watch TV while you brush your teeth, the hotel's got you covered. Oh, there's a remote for it. You know they're fancy when they have a piano in their lobby. World peace. It's an otter! So apparently the first stop is Costco, and that's so we can try some poutine, which I don't think is pudding, but in my head, that's what we're getting. So I'm probably gonna be wrong, but we're about to try some poutine. It's such a nice McLaren. Oh, there's another McLaren. I wonder how many students live in there now. That looks really creepy, man. There's definitely ghosts in there. Right next to this guy. Look at this thing, it is towering. You just have tanks and cannons sitting on the street. Feels pretty American to me. Look at this thing. Probably a replica, but it still looks pretty cool. They have a twin over there just guarding this building, which I'm pretty sure is a museum. BC, I think, is standing for British Columbia, but I could completely be wrong. There's a bunch of construction around here, but the stadium itself looks pretty cool. It's got these little spider legs sticking out of it. Nice. Guys, we found the Costco, but I think we have to walk all the way around to that staircase over there. You see that? And then we can get down. Oh my gosh, that's so far. We're coming for you, Costco pudding. There's a big W over there. And it's spinning too. Maybe it's because they're winners. I'm pretty sure all of these are apartment buildings, which is wild. Literally surrounded by apartment buildings. Oh, look guys, we found the entrance to the Canada Costco. These birds have absolutely no fear, and I respect them for that. We're not going inside. All we're doing is waiting for our pudding, Costco pudding. What? Look at this soda, they call it pop. Can I get a pop, please? Let's see what else. So they have regular French fries. We're getting the poutine, and then they have like chicken strip, the hot dog, quarter-pound hot dog, pizza by the slice. They have flipping sushi here, which is wild. And now we wait for our poutine. What the heck? What is this? Let's try some poutine. I vibe with that. This is actually so good. No fear. No fear. Even the firefighters want some poutine. We found Chinatown. Boom! It's the not Space Needle called the Harbor Center. If you look up, whoa, you can take elevators up to it. That's pretty wild. Too hot. We need 30 kilometers for every, it lost me at 30 kilometers. Water plane, Disney cruise ship. This is what you walk out to. These are the buildings right next to the port. Wicked. These high rises are literally all around you here. I can't even get them all in the video without pointing the camera basically straight up. They're everywhere. Another thing I noticed is the sidewalks are super massive. There's tons of walkway. I just scored me a Canadian quarter. It's got a moose on it, and on the back side, it has some random lady who's probably not random, who's probably very important, but look at that, it's a whole 25 Canadian cents. Oh, look, it's me. You know, something else I noticed is totally different here versus like California is the lights, the signal lights, they flash green here instead of being a solid green. Is that normal? Why are they flashing? Kilo! Ah! Kilo in the vet. Kilo in the vet. Like and subscribe. Dude, look at the Corvette. Oof. The world's first V8 swap Tesla Model 3. Where's the exhaust? Can you see it? Came to Canada to do drag racing. Quote from Blackstaff with the Kilo Mobile and the C8. Mexico, not Canada. Kilo, no. What's the story?
Broken.
Why is it broken?
A tree.
A tree?
It was a vegan.
It was a vegan. A vegan broke the Tesla. A vegan tree.
Exactly.
Broke the Tesla. FPV! That's not me. 3, go! Go!
This is probably strong, right?
Probably.
Is it okay to try?
Go for it. If you feel it denting, just get off.
Yeah. So all you gotta do is grab onto here.
Okay.
So you come forward, put your elbows in, and hold. First try!
Okay, dude, that's
Now you're
awesome.
gonna do it on there.
Now we're gonna do it on there. Okay. Oh, baby. Okay, he's gonna get one more, he said. Yeah, thanks, guys. The basic Teslas. Oh, and the Kilo's coming. There we go. Oh, dude, he's just rocking with the 100.
That's a 5.
It does look
That's
fake.
only like $10 in the US.
You're lying, really? It literally looks like it's taped together right here. Wait, is that?
So it's transparent.
Right.
They do that for like to make it harder to counterfeit.
Oh.
And apparently the hundreds, I don't know if it still does, but they're supposed to smell like maple syrup. Like no joke. It probably smells like wallet now, but they're supposed to smell like maple.
Kilo, you're breaking my heart.
High five. Give him a high five.
Sit. Roll over. Oh my gosh. Okay, one more time. Roll over. Oh, good job, Kilo. There, that's all yours. Good boy, Kilo.
Did, right?
Good boy.
Which is
Bye,
why
Kilo.
Beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, can I leave your aura? You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity.
Look, I got slippers. Check out this stairway. We're not going up it, but we're about to explore the nightlife of Vancouver, Canada. Hello, Mr. Lion. Next to the Shore Hill building with your Paul strutted. Good night to you, sir. Hello to the rest of the city. So tall, so awesome. So from the outside, these metal things look like just metal things sticking out of the ground. But check this out. On the inside, you got forest, or you have ocean, and the light kind of tapers, gets darker as you go up. And this last one, you have, oh, rocky. Look at that crystal artwork right there. We're basically on the water right now. This is the Vancouver Conventional Center. We're walking past it. We were here earlier, but on the other side, with a giant light bar just going down it. We're not staying here, but we're just gonna check out the lobby to scout it out. Apparently, to see if it's worth potentially in the future staying at for someone. This is very interesting. Look, you have the hotel to the right, and then boom, the convention center to the left. It's got this whole gold and kind of stone theme going around. They even have cruise ship terminals here.
Just to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Silver coin, you hold me, turn me over right now. But expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. as I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and the sedation idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it.
Super solid drone flight. Could not have really asked for it any other way. Like flying up, absolutely no problems. Coming down, there is no one around, so super peaceful landing. Thank goodness for that. I know for a fact this is a hecka expensive. What is this? Artificial Rock 143 by Xuan Wang. Look at that big old donut. We did it, guys. We made it to Vancouver. Look at that. Ah, in the back. We got the Vancouver sign. We got all these huge buildings behind us. Look at all these. And it's not that cold. It's like a nice cold. I really like it. So this is the Vancouver sign. We are in Vancouver, and you have this building behind us. It kind of looks like the Sydney thing from Nemo. The not Seattle Space Needle is right there. You got the flippin' moon right there. And then all the buildings in the background. Super tall buildings. Check this place out, guys. They got a little subway. And then, oh yeah, this is the train station, and you can take a train to the airport, I guess? Waterfront station, so maybe you can catch boats here as well, yeah. And look at the top. There's a bunch of like art and paintings up there on the walls and stuff. We're gonna go down here more. Look at this little alleyway. It's properly lit. Definitely how I thought Vancouver, or at least Canada, would be like. Older style buildings. This is more of the Canada I envision. More maple syrup. And also I thought Canada would kind of be Christmassy all year round. I don't know why I thought that, but yeah, that was just in my mind. Oh, you can see it working on the inside. Look at that. Crazy. You can see all the gears and stuff up there, like right here. And then the actual, this part, just swaying side to side. And this part's continuously. Oh, the steam is warm too. Oh, it's so warm. Look at that Canadian flag. I kind of want to take it and put it on the Tesla. The old spaghetti factory. I wonder if this is one of the OGs. It looks like it would be an OG. Look at, they have train car there. And this one looks like a legit train car, not like one of the basic ones you see at the California old spaghetti factories. This one is a different vibe. They even have outdoor seating. Totally different vibes. The old spaghetti factory. Check out the buildings with the blue LED strips. Oh, I love these super skinny buildings. Like in the middle, I don't know why. I've just always liked them. I think they look really cool. And because it like splits the street, and I think it's pretty cool. And it's like super walk friendly. Vancouver Corner. They got some night themes here, so that's north. Is that really north? No, that's north. Okay, that makes more sense. East, south, west. We're going west, but the north is where the mountains are. I learned that from one of our Canadian friends.
Speaking of Canadian friends, thanks for joining me on this video, Canadian friends. If you want to see the next part, so day 2, make sure you subscribe, and that will be out very shortly. Day 2, we do a lot more stuff. It's super scenic. You're gonna love it.